Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the phone. Install a reputable iOS-style lock app and an icon/widget pack. Once installed, open Settings and grant notifications, overlay and lock screen access so widgets function while locked. Make sure battery optimization is off for the app, otherwise background updates will stop. You want the app to run reliably, so allow full permissions now. Next, return to the app to begin configuring the layout. Don't skip permissions, or widgets may appear blank. Now you customize the layout to mimic iPhone. Pick a centered clock widget, then add essential controls like camera and flashlight as bottom shortcuts. Once added, arrange icons symmetrically and select condensed font to match iOS feel. Make sure to enable wallpaper blur or a frosted effect for that depth behind widgets. This improves legibility. Adjust tap targets so shortcuts open from lock screen. Test each one. If you want notifications to look like iOS, enable stacked notification style. Finish by testing the full experience. Lock the phone and try each shortcut, widget interaction, and notification preview. Once done, make sure your chosen security, PIN, pattern, or biometric works with the custom lock app. Some apps require specific settings. If something breaks, clear the app cache, reboot, and regrant overlay plus lock screen permissions. And if notifications aren't updating, disable battery optimization for that app. This single troubleshooting step resolves most issues. Recheck permissions before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.